Start by cleaning your butternut. You then want to cut off the hard stemmy bit. Next, cut the butternut squash along the long side. I'm just moving my knife in a up and down motion to make it easier to cut. You then want to scrape out the seeds. And don't throw the seeds away. You can always use them in recipes. You can always roast them in the oven or air fryer and use them in salads or just have them as a snack and so much more. You're going to need a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Brush the butternut with olive oil. You can also use melted butter for this. And just in case you're wondering, the skin of the butternut is edible, but just make sure you properly clean it if you're going to be eating it. Sprinkle the brown sugar and cinnamon mixture on top. You could also use honey or maple syrup in place of brown sugar if you prefer. Carefully place the butternut inside the air fryer basket with the skin side facing upwards. You may have to cook in batches if you have a small air fryer basket. Once the time is up, you're just going to open the air fryer and insert a knife in the thickest part. It should go in easily. Otherwise, just continue air frying for a few more minutes because a larger butternut squash will require more time. And then carefully, you want to use your tongs to flip. And I've just flipped them. You then just want to brush with any remaining olive oil if you like. I'm just going to try and use up what I have here because I don't want to throw it away. Top again with some cinnamon sugar. I'm just going to do a light topping because I had already done this before air frying. We're then going to close the lid and air fry for 5 to 7 minutes or until everything has caramelized. So the time is up and we're just gonna have a look at how this look like. This look good and they're ready to serve. You're just going to carefully remove them using your tongs. And just before serving, I like to top mine with a little bit of salt to balance the sweetness. Serve them as a side with your roast turkey for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Chicken, I like to top mine with some freshly chopped herbs. You can also top them with toasted feta cheese. The list is endless.